A very phonetic morning to all of you. I am Pinky from class 12th and I am feeling very honored today on this auspicious occasion. Really, it's a moment of pleasure for me. As well as I want to thank all of you for paying your sincere gratitude on this occasion. Today I am here to deliver a speech on Haryana Day. As we all know, Haryana is not just a state, it is the devotion and voice of those 2.54 crore people living in it. If anybody would ask me what is Haryana, then I will answer that I am Haryana. You all are Haryana. And of course, a state is not just made from mountains, rivers, and deserts, but from its people, and a youth like you. It is much more than that. It is the land of culture, the land of feelings, the land of multi languages, and of course, the land of festivals. One of many festivals that keep the state of Haryana in a festive spirit almost all the time is Haryana Day. This festival is celebrated to commemorate the day when the state of Haryana was carved out from Punjab in 1966. This year in 2020, the 52nd Haryana Day will be celebrated all over the state on 1st November. Haryana has a unique meaning, that is abode of God. It is a blend of two Sanskrit words, Hari, which means God, and Ayana, which means home. It is the land where guests are treated equal to God. The Day of Haryana festival also marks the food festival that is held at tourist complexes. To add more enjoyment, there are musical performances in the evening that are held almost all complexes in Haryana. All complexes and buildings are brightly lit up, decorated, and present a cheerful and beautiful sight. Haryana represents the face of modern India and yet prides itself of being rooted in its magnificent culture. Today, Haryana is positioned among one of the wealthiest and most economically developed regions in South Asia. Haryana is a kaleidoscope of diverse landscapes, showcasing magnificent archaeology and celebrating art and culture. For being referred to as a heaven on the earth, it has one of the most unique histories. Today, Haryana stands tall with its achievements in agriculture, industrialization, flourishing art and culture, rich in history, monuments, heritage, flora, fauna, human resources, tourism with well-developed economy. Haryana has a journey worth experience. Haryana is the land where the minds of people is without fear. The head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the words came out from the depth of hearts, where people stretches their arm towards perfection. At last, I want to say that every child, every person of our state has lot of imagination in their minds, and this imagination leads to creativity. Creativity blooms thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge results innovation. And innovation not just make a state great, but it also make a nation great. Unless India stands up to the world, no one will respect us. In this world, fear has no place. Only strength respects strength. So, thank you very much for listening me, and at last, once again, happy Haryana Day. Thank you.